I started as a carpenter in the building industry. I was working with a really good guy, and he insisted that I'm good with numbers. I should be doing renovations and I should be doing the building. And that's how I started exploring all this building industry and slowly turned into renovator. It's a freedom. You still work outside, your workspace is outside. And it's quite flexible. I can still spend time with my family. I talk to the people and I love meeting them. And while working, while meeting, still earning. So it's the best part. And I can work anywhere. It's a growing area and the young families here. So everyone is looking for their dream home here. So more custom homes and more up to their details and more a family needs, more custom. I listen to them first, what they need, what their family needs are. I'm not selling them a number, I'm not selling them a plan. I'm selling them a home which they really want to live. And once they have their home, they should love that. So they should not be compromising on anything. Workmanship is everything. A good workmanship is a real detail. You're living in a home, if there's a flaw, if there's something wrong, you're going to notice one day. And you don't want to have that in your client. So your client should be happy now and after 10 years. So every single detail, every single workmanship should be up to the standards. If they're looking for a custom home, it should have their dream home and everything should be up to the standard, up to the mark. If you're looking to build in Ipswich area, call us, let's meet, let's draw your plans and let's build your dream home.